Guys, okay, I'm in my house and I'm not going somewhere. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I didn't even do anything. See, my leg is right there. My head is right here. And how is that happened? I better call my mom. Haji, balik ka na ito.
Sa dibdib po.
Mami, so double deck nag-move. So double deck nag-move.
Sabi ko, mag-asawa, hindi man lang ipatato ang pangalan ko. Nanguhuli lang ako.
Oh my God, what did my mom do?